Hello and welcome to Mind Travels. Today we're going to visit breathtaking Whistler, British Columbia, Canada. I will be your personal tour guide, and over the next few minutes, we will take a quick tour of this beautiful part of our world. So here we are in Whistler. We are going to start off by taking a look at the geography of this magnificent place. So here we are in the Coast Mountains, which are part of the larger Canadian Rockies. These mountains were formed about 120 million years ago and are home to some of the best skiing in North America. The village itself sits at an elevation of about 2,000 feet, or 600 meters, and is surrounded by peaks that are over 7,500 feet, or 2,000 meters high. The area is also home to 3 glaciers, including the largest glacier in the Canadian Rockies. But don't worry, none of that is going to melt anytime soon. Even in the middle of July, the average temperature in Whistler is about 60 degrees Fahrenheit, or 15 degrees Celsius. So be sure to bring your sweaters even if you are coming in the summer. Whistler is located about 2 hours north of Vancouver, in a place called the Sea to Sky Corridor. It is called this because the road literally takes you from the ocean to the sky. You start off in the city of Vancouver, which is on the coast of the Pacific Ocean, and then you drive up through this beautiful valley surrounded by mountains. The 2-hour drive is absolutely breathtaking and is one of the most scenic drives in all of Canada. Speaking of cities, Whistler is actually more of a village than a town. It has a population of about 10,000 permanent residents, but that swells to 40,000 during the ski season, which lasts from November to April. The population is very diverse, with people from all over the world coming to work in the tourism industry. In fact, Only about 20% of the population is actually from Canada. The other 80% is made up of people from all over the world, including the United Kingdom, Germany, France, the Philippines, and South Africa. The most common language spoken in Whistler is English, but you will hear many different languages being spoken throughout the village, especially during the summer months. Now let us take a look at some of the things that Whistler has to offer its visitors. First up is, of course, the skiing. As I mentioned earlier, Whistler is home to some of the best skiing in North America. The ski resort is actually the largest in North America. There are over 200 ski runs, and the resort is open from November to April. If you are not into skiing, don't worry, there is plenty to do in Whistler. In the summer months, visitors can enjoy hiking, biking, fishing, and simply taking in the beautiful scenery. There are also a number of golf courses in the area, as well as a number of spas and hot tubs. One of the most popular activities in Whistler is going to the spa. In fact, Whistler is known as the spa capital of Canada. There are a number of spas in the village, and they offer a variety of services from massages to facials to body treatments. So whether you're looking to relax and rejuvenate or get a little bit of pampering, Whistler has something for everyone. One of the other things that Whistler is known for is its beer. In fact, Whistler has the largest microbrewery in Canada. The beer is brewed using mountain water, and it is known for its unique flavor. If you're a beer lover, be sure to visit the microbrewery during your stay in Whistler. Well, that is all the time we have for our tour today. I hope you enjoyed seeing Whistler as much as I enjoyed showing it to you. If you did, please hit the like button below and leave me a comment. We always appreciate feedback. Thanks for watching. Come back soon, and in the meantime, keep mind traveling.